Hi guys, welcome to part 4. Bradford On Avon. Sorry, we're at Bradford On Avon, as you can see. Another train current continued to show, that is true. The emergency telephone. Good naturally over there. Okay guys, I'm gonna edit it until it goes off. Hi guys, we're at Bradford On Avon. I stood it up on the car so then it'll be easier to see and the LED light. Got a feeling this is going to be a double pass. Time is 10:56. Sorry about that clicking, it's just the indicators. Not likely to see me using this because oh, thank you. Sounds like HST horn. Could be freight. Who is? HST 43035. I told you it's going to be HST. Next station, 4301, no, 43128 in the way, and up we go, yep. Thank you guys, that's in this video.